Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove login page on your Wix.com website. So start off from the Wix dashboard here and then click on Edit Site up here. Once you click on that, it'll take you onto this website here. It's called the Wix Website Editor. And from here, go on to this section, Pages and Menu. On Pages and Menu, click on the page that requires login. It'll have this logo right here. It means if there's this logo, then if a visitor wants to get in this page, they'll need to log in. If you want to remove that, click on the three dots here. On the three dots, click on Settings. On Settings, go to Permissions and click and make it to everyone. If it's site members, then people will need to log in. But let's just make it to everyone so they can view this page freely. Now let's check if we can view this without logging in, and there you go. You can also delete the whole login function by going onto the Pages and Menu section and then going to the Members area and then clicking on this gear icon, Actions here, and then scroll down and then just press Delete Members area. This action will remove your Members area page, member profile, and also the login bar, like that. After that, just click on Delete. Deleting Wix Members area, give it a second. Once it's done, the login bar will now be deleted.